How to attract money in life. Hope you all are doing good with your health and mind. Let's enhance that and attract money in your life. Get your life better. If you feel you are lacking of money or you earn money enough but it's not sticking to your home, then watch this video till the end. Why some people earn money very effortlessly when some people try their best but couldn't earn much? Is that the case they do not do something which other people are doing? No. Then what's the secret behind this? There are few things which you should do to attract money faster. First basic thing you should have is mindset. You need to have money in your mind. Always have a mindset first. So, before you actually make money, you should always have that in your mind that you are going to earn good money. Have faith in yourself. You are going to set a good life for yourself, for your family. This way, you actually subconsciously attract money. For this, what you actually do is think about that. As earlier said, think what you want. You should never react emotionally when you check your bank account. You may feel terrific, bad, or very sad when you see your bank account, but never react that way. That's the major blocking you are putting to money. Always think or frame a mind that soon this is going to be a bigger amount. Transfer that energy to your bank account. This way, you are inviting money to your bank account. So, stop feel bad or negative about your current financial situations. No situation is permanent. Always believe that and attract positive mindset. This is the one way money get attracted easily. Second, visualize the money. Yes, you need to visualize what you want. Every day, sit in a quiet place. Be with yourself. Being alone is also a company to yourself. Take a deep breath for few times. Create a mindset and fix a targeted amount which you want in your life. Feel that you actually have it. Visualize it and attract it subconsciously. As our subconscious mind is always give command to universe. Always think about the particular amount and in particular time frame you want it. You will earn this amount, but be realistic. Be practical with the amount you want. Your thought should always be practical and positive. Whatever amount you want, you can make it. Have faith in yourself. Lastly, action taking plans. You must start planning to do actions for your targeted amount and to fulfill your dreams. As it's not possible to earn money just by fascinating or thinking about this positively. Doing nothing is absolutely not possible to earn money. You will get what you want, but do things for that. Be energetic and start working. Start work very harder. Plan your work. Take opportunities. Be consistent. Consistently doing your work will achieve target. Target your goals and achieve what amount you want. Do visualize the amount you want. Set a mind for it and take actions on that. These things will attract money in your life, as our subconscious mind has the power to attract anything and everything on this universe. Think what you want. Use this power and attract money in your life.